Have you encountered some unpaid interns who have experience in data mining?
I don't think even like paid interns.
I was casually going through LinkedIn job board and found this interesting position and an unpaid intern, but with a ton of requests. I thought it was a joke at first, but the more deep I go, the more I think it's a serious opening. Hold on, let's see. Hold on. Here's the responsibilities. Underline the not limited to predictive modeling, statistics, machine learning, other data analysis techniques. Okay, this is a lot of apply. Okay, yes, this is an actual full-time job. The minimum requirements. This is not a senior level, not an. This is a senior level, not an unpaid internship. This is what you need to know to be an intern at this, an unpaid intern. Knowledge of SQL, Python, or R, familiarity with Python, such as Pandas.
Pandas,
you know,
everyone's favorite.
Yes.
Everyone's favorite Python library.
Yes. When I think of panel data library in Python, I think Pandas. Yes. This is how you know that this person has no idea what that. This is like a copy and paste from a different job application.
Well, yeah, and it's like they want knowledge of SQL, Python, or R, but it's like if your primary is R, then like if you've only learned like R and Python, you're not going to be familiar with Python libraries such as Pandas, NumPy, and like it's like you want to be not like Python knowledge is the prerequisite there. Like, why make it optional? Just say you need to know Python.
Yeah, like knowledge of SQL, Python, and then be familiar with these Python libraries.
I know how to use Pandas, but not Python.
Yes, I knowledge in R, but know these Python. Yeah, that's right. It's like yeah, great call out. I would have forgot that. I would have completely blown by that one. Data science and machine learning coursework or development use just in case you unpaid interns or unpaid people out there, interns out there. You really don't need to know you really don't need to know a neural net framework as an unpaid intern. In fact, you really don't need to know any of this stuff as an unpaid intern. In fact, you shouldn't be an unpaid intern. You should just be a student. This is what a student would be doing, learning this stuff. And then if your employer wants to pay to have you learn this stuff, then that's a good, thing to learn. But you shouldn't be unpaid to have these skills, right? These skills are paid skills. These skills are skills that you would have, and you would go get a good job with these skills, right? That's what should be happening. But it's weird to see. It's like experience in data. Yes. Have you encountered some unpaid interns who have experience in data mining?
I don't think even like paid interns.
Like I have to teach interns how to like mine data. Like that's a thing that I have to teach interns.
This is like the one like thing that makes me feel good about this, that no one's going to be exploited by this kind of posting, is that anyone who actually has these skills and meets the requirements for this application knows what they're worth and knows not to take a unpaid internship.
I'd be interested to see how many people applied for this. I'd love to see the applicants.
Goose egg. That's my bet.
I'd love to see the actual applicant pool, because it's probably just because that would probably like tell you who's like really, really smart, because it's probably just a bot that they made to apply to like a bunch of entry-level data science jobs. Be a significant. See, this is how you know it's just a copy and paste, right? It's like be a significant contributor on a longer-term R&D project. If you're an intern, what long-term projects will you be having? It's like your internship could last a quarter. Your internship could last a year. Your internship is not going to be permanent, and nor do you want it to be. The compensation, though, is priceless. This is an unpaid remote internship, but the experience and connections you will get for your professional portfolio in LinkedIn are priceless. Yeah,
I was gonna say, like, up until this, I thought it was a load of bullshit, but like, this sold me on it. I'm ready to apply right now. I just trusted the link.
Yeah, thank you for letting me get exposure from this unpaid, thank you.
Exposure for this back end role doing health data work.
Yeah, I love the exposure is going to be priceless,